Hello guys, good afternoon. Gonna make another quick video about like these cables connected with the airbag. This is a C230 Mercedes Benz compressor. This is 2005. The airbag is located right here in the middle of this the steering wheel. It's supposed to be like that, and of course the steering wheel goes right over here. So this goes right over here. The cables they go inside. You put the cables inside the right hole and the left hole, and um, yeah, these cables right here, these two go to the right hole, this one go to the left hole. I have a little problem with this connection. Actually, when I pull out the steering wheel, I messed up this part. I don't know if you can see it. This one, I cut it, but it was totally damaged. It was totally damaged. And some of the parts, they were like right here, they were connected. I'm gonna show you the new part. This is one of the new parts. It has two little holes right there. So those holes, they're connected right here. There's two little pins. So you connect this right over here. When I pull off the power steering, these two plastic things, they were like right here. So what I did was, the old part, I'm talking about the old part, the damaged one. What I did, I'm gonna get the damaged one. This is the damaged one. I use my fingers and I start to wiggle it. Wiggle until I feel like it came out. Other people, what they do, they take like really small screwdriver, like the one that you use to remove the screws from sunglasses. Let's see if I have one over here. I think I have one around here. Let me see if I can show you guys what I'm talking about. Right, let me pause the video and I'm going to find that screwdriver. I wanted to show you what I'm talking about. Alright, I'm back guys. Sorry about that. So I'm going to show you. So this is one of the parts that they supposed to be attached right here. So this is supposed to be attached right here. So what people they do, you take like this small screwdriver, you put right here one side and you pull up and you go to the other side and you pull up until it's gonna be loose. What I did, I use my fingers, wiggle. I use my fingers, right to left, or left to right, whatever, and this part was loose. So I cut this part already. Let me see the new one. Alright. I wanted to show you the yellow part, but okay, this is the green part. I'm gonna cut this cable right here. I'm gonna connect it right over here. I'm gonna use this product, the heat shrink. You can find this Walmart. You put it in the middle of the cables. So you put this together. You put it in the middle of here, and you heat this up with a lighter. And this is gonna be shrink. And this part they're gonna be safe. You know, they don't gonna be touched. I had two parts already, so one goes over here, one goes over here, and the other one goes to the other side. I use the lighter. Heat this up until it shrinks, and that's it. So you wait until it's gonna be covered. Anyways, I was for some people that they don't know how to take the power steering off, right in the back of the power steering, right here, right in the back, is to alley range, like this one. So you put it inside and you disconnect those bolts, and automatically you can take the power steering out. Alright guys, thank you for watching. I hope this video is gonna be helpful. Last thing, I found these parts. At the junkyard. They were very inexpensive, you know. I cut it, and I'm gonna put it together, and that's it. I'm gonna connect it to the airbag. The last thing I forgot to tell you, there is a ball right here in the middle when you remove the power steering. So this ball right over here is a alley range number 10. I believe is the bigger one that I have right over here. So you put it right over here, lefty to unscrew this. You gotta make a lot of force to the left, and this ball is gonna be disconnected, and then you can remove the power